Day two of the trial of former police officer Michael Rosfeld. Yesterday, jury heard opening statements, the first testimony too. KDKA's Meghan Schiller was in the courtroom yesterday, and she is back this morning with some of those key moments.
Good morning. We heard from multiple detectives. We also heard testimony from two witnesses. We saw the surveillance video from the earlier drive-by shooting and also the cell phone video that captured the moment that Rosfeld shot and killed Rose. But many people are wondering if today we are going to hear and learn more about Rose and who he was as a person. The prosecutor, Dan Fitzsimmons, began to present the evidence methodically. He emphasized that Rosfeld didn't need to pull the trigger. When talking about the evidence of the cell phone video that showed the shooting, he said, quote, "She captured the action of the officer, captured the victim running away, causing no danger to him whatsoever." Defense attorney Pat Tomasi worked to portray Rosfeld as a selfless man who runs towards danger, who worked in a, quote, valley of crime where drive-bys happen all the time. He said he had reason to believe the men in the stopped car could have hurt him or the community. The attorney for the Rose family, Lee Merritt, said the jury did not see the true Antoine Rose II. He said there was no mention of his non-existent criminal record or the fact he was an honor student.
We are encouraged that the prosecution will continue to pursue the facts of the case that matter. We feel that that's what they're laying out methodically. But what we most want to see as a family, as a community, is that Antoine Rose is introduced to this jury as if his life mattered.
He said he hopes the prosecution can show the human side of Rose starting this morning. He said he hopes that people will view him as a child, as a minor, which is what he said he was technically under the law. Also, the mother of Antoine Rose, in an interview with the Post-Gazette, said she's going to rely on her faith to get her through the remainder of this trial. More witnesses are expected to take the stand starting at 9. Reporting live outside the Allegheny County Courthouse, Meghan Schiller, KDKA News on Pittsburgh CW.
Coming up in our next half hour, reaction from the Rose family attorney to day one testimony, plus how some are reaching out to help the defendant, Michael Rosfeld. Plus, you get complete coverage anytime you need it online with our live updates on Facebook, Twitter, and KDKA.com.